So our next project is Debezium and Kafka based CDC connector. So all modern systems in the world, at least as you grow in your use cases, you build event-driven systems. And one category of events is change data capture. So whenever data changes in your database, you trigger an event and consumers do stuff on top of it. Okay. So one inspiration you could take is GraphQL subscriptions like Hasura provides. Check out Hasura's event streaming, the subscriptions protocol and how they provide subscriptions. Similarly, what we want to enable teams is, and this is already a solved problem in the industry, you have to give like a setup which is ready made and running for this, okay, with a sample events being consumed in a Godspeed service. Okay, so you will have a database. Whenever maybe create a CRUD API on a model in Godspeed in 5 minutes on a model, then whenever you call an API, change some data in the database, it will, the event will be captured in Debezium, which will forward it to a Kafka message bus. And then the same Godspeed service or another service which is listening on that Kafka will listen on this message and do something on top of it. It could, for example, log it simply to start with, right? Or it could send an email, or it could let's say add this to an Excel sheet, a CSV file somewhere locally, or it could save an entry in a CRM like Salesforce. You can do any kind of a simple POC to demonstrate the event has been consumed, right? Based on a business logic. In this project, you got to give some sort of easy to install and run ecosystem, okay? So I should be, as a developer who wishes to use this in my Godspeed project, be able to just run a Docker compose file, and Debezium is installed and Kafka is installed, and it is running the images, the containers, and the system is just working end to end without much trials. Okay, and you have given some sample consumers of those Kafka messages as well. This can be given shipped as part of a sample project in Godspeed that you have made, which consumes these events. And as well, maybe the same sample project could have those CRUD APIs to save to database. So you just have one project which is also helping you save to database, update database, and same project is actually consuming from Kafka and doing things. Okay, this could be reused by any developer to get things going on the fly. This is about this project, Kafka Debezium connector.